What's up guys? So today we're gonna start the video here at the gas station again, but we're gonna go to a meet that 50 Mil Luna he invited me to. It looks pretty sick by what he showed me, and there's actually I'll just show you guys. See this one around. Super cool car. Look at that white body. It has a mines, some mines parts on it. Honestly, come on, look at that. McLaren just far. Wow. This is really dope. It just landed, I think it got here a week ago in Japan. I mean, I bet people have seen, a lot of you guys have seen videos of this car, like, ever seen? It's out there, which is really wild. Look at the angle to it. Super clean, that's really cool rock cover. And Integras, those are my two favorites. Clean with the Type 1 floor mats. This all in the back. This is so sick. I want to Evo so bad. They do have issues, but I don't know. Too cool car. It's a really cool car. Always love them. And then it's really mint. What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be going to a meet at Bowls. Bowls is a really cool store that has all like the aftermarket, like apparel, stuff like that. A lot of times they have steering wheels and cool shift knobs and stuff like that. All random miscellaneous little stuff for your car. A lot of JDM parts. But yeah, this is LA, bruh. Look at that. It takes 13 minutes for 3 miles. Wild. parking lot. We got Luna. We wanted to shoot it real quick. We're probably gonna shoot after, right? We don't know where. Alright, all zoomed in. Alright. It looks good with the R33s, right? In the front. I think it looks really good. Alright.
Okay, right next to it.
And the K1's in the back. Look, and then look how cambered it is. It looks really good. S16.
Yeah.
That's an S16.
Okay.
Really clean S2000 with some chrome wheels.
Little card. Oh, the S2K inside, bro.
I like the bumper on this one.
Oh yeah.
And then I think it has widened fenders, right?
Oh,
The widened fenders because it has the little corner right there. The front bumper, yeah. I love that kit on the GR. Yeah, really good kit. Yeah.
The time attack S2K.
I'll go see it right now. Nick wanted to come and see it, but he's at work. Yeah. It was sick. I like the kit.
With the carbon hard top.
Oh yeah.
Is it there a basic kit or no? Or what kit is it?
The basis?
Battle Pass?
Exit exhaust, the back seat single exit. Man, it's really nice fitment. The wide body, it just needs a wide body. It's perfect. I think this is the best wide body to make for it, personally. Damn. Let's go. This one has the same hood as the white one, but not the wide body kit. Still has some over fenders that looks really good. I already love this chassis.
Could be me, bro.
Yeah.
That could be me.
Look at the Brembos. Wow. What? What? Those are huge. Yep. The other one's also running on a Pexi exhaust.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The buckets, these are hard.
Yeah.
The back of them, the stitching.
Yep. The buckets. Look at the shifter. Ah, damn, I wish you could see. Can't really see. Yeah, but this hood is really cool. I really like that hood.
What's the dogfight one?
The shifter?
No, the bright one. It's the dogfight.
Did you see the shifter? It's really good.
It's the Battlecraft with 2 dogs.
Is it?
Yeah. That bright dog.
Yo! It's Sebastian. Damn. What is it called? Yeah, but Rosa, yes. Rosa. I'm gonna talk to Dream right here. one has the beams in it also. Oh, it does. It does have a beams. It says beams. What? Alright guys, so we already came back from the evasive meet with Matt. We're basically home, but we just stopped by to take some real quick pictures of both of them together. They look so good together, both black. I need to paint my car so bad. I'm just waiting because me and Matt are gonna get a shop, so I'm just waiting on that, and I should paint it ASAP. But it looks so terrible. But look at it, so terrible. The front fender's wrapped. That's the only part that looks good. But soon it will be one color and shiny and glossy. But yeah, we're just getting some quick pics, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and thank you guys. Goodbye.